Today we're going to be doing some reconstruction on the Xterra. You guys know Lacey. I mean, I got the proof. I got the proof that she actually likes me. We're going to be doing some construction stuff today. We are going to be replacing all of this. What am I doing? I know better than that. Hang on. Today we're going to be replacing both inverters, and we're going to be replacing them with a continuous power 3000 watt 6000 watt peak. I dropped the phone. Power inverter. Yay. Yes, I'm gonna take all that stuff out. We're gonna take this wall down and then use this area for storage. What you think? All right, so those have been removed. Dog is randomly barking, and now we have all this extra room, and we're gonna go ahead and just start moving, I guess, stuff down here, and we'll see how that works out. If you're watching this and you're looking for an inverter, this is a Power Drive Plus 3000 watt modified inverter. I've really enjoyed having this. Provides plenty of power. I'll leave a link to the roadpro website. All right, guys, so it is installed. There it is down there. It's all hooked up. I even added this little, this was like a remote control for it that you just plug into the front. And I just put it right here because, well, I spent a lot of time right here. But anyways, we're all set up. And then you may have just seen that I do in fact have this on the back. So that will do a good part in preventing Lacey to getting into this, which is the hardcore part of the solar setup and all of that. And so we're just trying to put everything together, and we're going to do a test run here in a minute. All right, guys, so here we are with the air fryer. We're going to plug that in, and we're going to see how this holds up. All right, guys, so as you saw, we got it all plugged in. The new inverter is up and working, and on the next video I'll be putting something really cool in here and getting it finalized to be living out of it full time again. With the weather the way it is right now, I technically could, but anyways, I got to get going. So it was good to see all you guys. Thank you for being here. Remember to always be good to yourselves, be good to others, and I'll catch all of you at the next video. Bye. Yeah, you work out? I don't know if you can tell, but I've been working out, you know. Putting in those hours, you know. Yeah, what do you think? Yeah? Yeah. No?